We are here at Sticky Rice Stories, and we're having another great video of JoJo. And today we're going to be drawing the letter T. The last video we drew S, and we made a sloth from it. You can go back to the playlist.
Yes!
And you can check out all those videos on our playlist at Sticky Rice Stories. Just playlist is called JoJo. Right? Bing, boom, bam. All right, yeah. So today we're going to be drawing a turtle out of the letter T.
Yeah! ThingyDingy!
ThingyDingy, that's right. You can use a crayon, pencil, mark. All right, so let's get started. Boom.
Damn.
This is the top of the paper. Comes down, then we go this way. Okay, and then remember to leave that space. Okay, so we're just going to, in the middle of the paper, we're going to make a small T. Remember, this is going to be a little T. Okay, so we're going to be putting the one line just down like that.
Little.
There you go. Bring that down just a little bit more.
Okay.
The top part, just like that. Little T.
Little T.
Good. And then we're going to come to this point right here, and we're going to make a like a little hill. And then we're going to come around this side, and we're going to make a flat U like that. Good. And then we're going to come to this side right here. So here's the point. You're going to go up a little, and you're going to make a bubble kind of thing.
Bubble.
And then on this side, you're going to do the same thing. Come to this side and come around like this. There you go. There you go. Now we're going to take this line right here, go to the left side of the T, and you're going to come down a little bit and follow this line right here. Boom, just like that. And then you're going to follow this line and come down to this side as well. Just like that.
Just like that.
Ooh. And then we're going to make another little kind of bump, and then we're going to do the same thing here, make another little bump, and then on the top part on the left side we're just going to make another little circle like that.
Wow, this is a huge turtle, and it looks
there
like
you
a
go.
lemon.
Lemon. All right, and then right above here we're going to, right above this point, so press the point at the point, we're going to come up and we're going to make a circle. Okay,
whoa, this is a fancy turtle.
and then on this side, right where the point is, you're going to go up and you're going to make another circle. There you go. And then we're going to make a little circle inside of there. Remember to leave a space in that circle. Don't make it so close so that it turns black, okay? Okay, and then the other side, make another circle and make sure you leave enough space for white inside. And then color the outside.
Oh dear, oh dear. Oh, I wish it wasn't so thick.
And then on this side, since we all know what this turtle looks like, we're going to make a little kind of thingy-dingy.
Is this the eyes of the turtle?
Yeah.
And this is the ears?
That's the bandana.
What?
Yeah. All right, so we're done with the turtle. It looks like a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle with a bandana.
Oh, it kind of looks like a hippo.
All right. It kind of does. All right, so we're going to take the color green and we're going to color the inside of the turtle, okay? This is let's color the top part of the turtle first.
The theme is huge.
All right, great. That looks awesome. I like the texture and how you went around. That's good. And we're going to color the bottom part green as well. Same color. And I'm going to put a circle right here so I don't color that part. And that's going to be the shiny part of the nose.
Okay, I'll do that too. This pencil feels like it's dried out.
Oh.
Also sounds like it. So squeaky. Like that?
Yeah, or just here, I'll do a circle and color around that. Your turtle looks way better than mine. I love it.
Because it's blubbier?
It is blubbier. Why don't you explain to them what blubby is? Go ahead.
I don't know how that
What does blubby mean?
It means that you're just so blubby.
Alright, color this side. There you go. Okay, so the 4 colors to choose from the bandanas from the turtles are purple, orange, red, or blue. Which one do you want to use?
Purple, orange, red, or blue.
Yeah.
Red!
You're going to do red? Okay, here's red.
Well, I think I got some red here.
Okay. And then I'm going to do...
Blue? Orange? Purple?
I'm going to do orange.
Good! This part?
Yep, we're going to color inside the bandana. Just like that.
Oh. Sticky rice stories. Whoa. Something is telling me that it's so bumpy.
And then you're going to color the outside part, which is the bandana where they tie it. Try not to get into the green.
I'll try. Whoa!
All right, now we're done. We drew a turtle out of the letter T.
I can still see the T.
Yeah, the T's right there. Thank you so much for joining us on our series called
Cha-cha!
And the next letter we will be drawing is U.
You!
All right, so join us next time and we will see you later. Y'all have a great one.
Daddy!
Bye-bye.
Sticky rice stories. Everything's better when we stick together. A family of artists creating art for families.